You did say it.
I did say it.
Today, we're going to do something really quite stupid to my 911 GTS. Get it up, John. Yeah, I know. First up, side skirts. GT3 RS genuine side skirts from Porsche. Diffuser. Liking that?
It's a proper kit, mate.
That's a big difference, that, isn't it?
Well, it's a fair step, mate. Look at the size difference.
Neil, come and have a look at this size difference.
That's it. Penis enlargement, Dave. Look.
That's a bit of you, that, isn't it?
Aye, that's what happens when you buy some in OEM.
Quality.
No rivets here.
Oh yes!
Let's get this.
Oh, this is for you.
Yeah, that doesn't fit at all.
Oh, it's all come off straight away. Right, next up we've got Moshammer.
Oh,
This is either going to be good or it's going to be bad. What we're thinking? Good, bad?
that'll be good, man.
Better be good. I paid £500 import duty for this.
I'm expecting a card in here since you're a time thief, mate. Wasted their time.
You have stolen our time!
Oh, Neil's coming.
I'm coming to see the kit. I want to see the kit.
Oh, boys.
Well, it looks a bit shit, doesn't it?
That'd be eBay job, that, Dave.
That's definitely not an eBay job, that.
Hey, you
You buy that from
Happy
Wish,
about
mate.
This is from Alibaba. AliExpress.
Oh, aye.
I don't know, mate. This looks a bit like you should return it.
I'm not returning that.
It's like a fucking skateboard thing.
Just hot glue it to the back.
This diffuser.
Let's get a little close up of this, mate. Look at the quality of this.
You know what? I don't think you should paint
This. I'm painting that.
I don't think you should paint it.
I'm definitely painting
I
that.
think you should leave it black. I think it looks sick.
Right, last up.
Oh, these are the grills.
That's a ZunSport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're really good.
Split off. You liking that? Last time I was cutting through stuff, I cut through your side skirts.
Yeah,
So
that's good. All the
your
way
sills,
through,
yeah, all the way through.
Dave. All the way.
Oh, you happy with that, mate?
Yeah, I'm delighted with that.
That to replace this, well, not replace, but go over
Yeah.
the top of this.
Underneath that.
Alright, boys, we'll get it fitted.
Yeah, let's do it, mate.
Nice.
Get it done.
Oh, hello. What we're going to do, Neil, we're going to do these side skirts. Quick and easy, nice simple job. Let's go.
We.
Me. How's today been, Neil?
It's been good, mate. We've gotten a lot done on this Porsche.
Right. Favourite bit so far? Got to be side skirts. Do look good, don't they?
They do look good, mate. They do.
I really like the look. I mean, they don't fit perfectly, admittedly.
It's fine. It's fine.
But look at them. They're
It's
just...
awesome. This angle's the best one. You come back here.
That's absolutely
You look down
the
there.
best angle. Yeah, that looks fantastic.
Meat, son.
Next bit, I took off. Rear diffuser. That was actually a good job. We nailed that one.
That one's easy. That was a good, easy one.
I mean, we have destroyed our hands. They're all cut and bruised and all
delicate
that.
office hands, mate. It's what happens.
That's what happens to us. I mean, when it gets a bit too hard, we just call John. So you won't be able to see it right now, but once we can see here, nice mesh, slightly wider, protruding a bit more. I like the look of it.
Yeah, I'm glad you kept those exhaust tips though. I think the other ones would have been too big. These ones sit nice and flush.
Yeah, I think you're right. So I've just loosened the rear Torx bolts out of the spoiler. I'm hoping this now just comes off. And here we go. Spoiler removed. Success. Next bit, when we remove the deck lid, we've just been discussing how we're going to do that, so you'll see that later on. We're going to take a few drill bits through this. People might cry because we're drilling through OEM plastic, but you know what?
It's just a GTS, mate. It's not really a big deal.
It's not even.
Come on.
I mean, it's a poverty GT3, isn't
Yeah,
it?
really.
It really is. So we're stepping up. We're going to do some mods, and that's why. Because
Start taking these metal tabs out of here, but also I'm not going to do that.
you're just gonna.
I'm just going to sit and watch.
Yeah, you're gonna advance.
That's my thing. If you watch this video, Moshammer, I'm disappointed in you. Please give me a sponsor.
I mean, yeah, we'll take sponsorship.
I'll take sponsorship. I'll do anything. I'm an absolute seller.
But I'm trying to be precise and not slice my fingers. Because I've done a lot of slicing of fingers. There we go. Ah, nice. Next, we're going to drill into the back.
Yes. My favourite part is drilling £90,000 worth of Porsche.
So I think...
Nobody watches this video too. Especially not Porsche UK.
Porsche UK would be... This is a bit of them.
This is a bit of them, is
This
it?
is a bit of them, yeah.
This is a bit of them.
I think this is a bit of Porsche UK. I'll be like, oh, why didn't we do this?
Why didn't we do this to the car?
Porsche UK, please can I have a 992 GT3? And if you give me a 992 GT3, I'll stop messing about.
I'll stop drilling holes
I'll stop.
in GTS's.
I'll stop doing weird things with cars. I think I've mounted that the wrong way around. That was nice.
You silly goose.
I thought that's a little. That could be like a rear hung spoiler.
Yeah, okay, we're going. It's a tiny little spoiler in itself, mate. That's what. Well, that's an even better click. That's a big one. That's in there.
There we go. That should be up there.
Oh no. Oh, it's cracked. Oh. Oh.
How good that looks!
So cool.
Oh man! How good does that look?
It's nice. You can't really see it on the camera just now because it's a bit too dark, but it's nice. Although I think I prefer it up, mate. I think I like it up. It's nice though. Let me go over this side and get better light.
Yeah, get better light.
Oh. Yeah, it's good. It's good that.
Mate.
It does look a bit touring, doesn't it?
Very 911
Yeah.
touring. Many of you will think we're lowering the tone with this type of video by installing stupid bits to it, but I will say those are genuine GT3
These are
RS
genuine-
sides. Genuine.
Genuine GT3 RS
Side
side
skirts.
skirts
They
fitted
don't-
onto the. Well, they're fit. They're on.
They're on. Yeah, they're just on.
Don't look at this bit. Today, I personally just fitted all of this lovely aero to this Porsche. What we've got here is some, what is it, ZunSport Grilles?
That's the ones.
They're actually pretty good, and it makes the car look like it's not aftermarket anymore.
Wait a minute.
I think we'll put a before shot in, but you'll see it just had big holes in it, and it just fire shit straight into the radiator. We've got the side skirts, GT3RS side skirts. They're on. They're solidly on now. They'll be dried up in like another couple of hours. Wing, which upward position, obviously. Actually went on alright as well.
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
Wasn't bad. Even the little plates I got to drill in here.
You know they're out there.
Much nicer than I thought.
Yeah, it's really nice actually.
Yeah,
It'd be really good once it's painted, I guess. Although I quite like it in black. Then diffuser, that went straight on actually. That was a good one.
Yeah.
That looks really good with these grills. Come with the kit. Yeah.
Yeah, they did.
They're nice with the grills.
So it matches the rear grills match the front grills now. So
Yeah.
we've got mesh everywhere.